how to fix your Paramount Plus error code. So let's get straight into the video. So generally when you get an error code, there are a couple of ways you can simply go ahead and try to fix it. The first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure that you're connected to a stable internet connection and try restarting your modem or router. If that is not the case, you can try closing the application and reopening it, or even restarting your device. If your Paramount Plus application has a pending update, simply go ahead and update it. And if that doesn't work, you want to simply go ahead and try a different device. Now we're going to be discussing about common error codes. So 3005 is problem playing video, check your internet connection. 6000 is going to be trying closing and reopening the application. 3304 is going to be connection issue, checking your network. 1008 is going to be clearing cache and data or reinstalling the app, and 4016 is going to be checking your subscription and signing in again. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.